crazy 24 hours it's been. Actually, it's about 24 hours exactly right now. Yeah, it's actually an hour away from when the news burst yesterday morning about all of the the SEC lawsuit with Ripple being solved and being resolved, if you will, the decision coming down. And so yesterday was insane. Did a 6 hour plus live stream. Lots of stuff to talk about right now. We're going to take a look at the current state of the union, and we're also going to look at pretty much every major crypto and what's going on with them, from Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Cardano, you name it, and kind of take a look at what is in store for the weekend. Okay, so with that, thanks for your support, and let's take a look at it right now. If you look at actually the fear and greed index is moved up to a 63. You can see right there on the right hand. But really the number I focus on is right here, obviously, right? We're up 4.7 still 24 hours later. It's good. We're maintaining that momentum, if you will. We hit our peak yesterday right at around 6.7, I think, give or take, somewhere in there, this number right here. So from an increased number. So I've got this sorted right now on the 24 hour. See the 24 hour. So this is out of the top 100, the top gainers. Obviously, we know the lead story here. XRP, what's going on with them? They hit a high of about 90 cents with a candle wick scenario. XRP again up to 77 cents. XLM rolling along with it. Really nice gains going on with that. So you've got synthetics, Solana, but Solana, Lido, Cardano, they're all getting the benefit of, I think, the ripple effect, if you will, of the judge's ruling in the Ripple case coming down, and there's some insight that these guys are going to maybe be good down the road because of SEC suing Binance and naming Cardano and Polygon, things of that nature. So you're seeing a lift here, but basically you're seeing a lift across all of crypto. 75-80 billion dollars flew into crypto yesterday in the last 24 hours. So some highlights. Obviously, we saw Cardano's up 28 plus percent, right? XLM running up 54%, getting moved along with XRP. We know that. You didn't know this. XRP now moved up 2 spots and became the 4th largest crypto out there. Let me show you that real quickly. So it was in the 6th position. It moved past BNB and USD coin respectively. So it's soaring all there. Bitcoin hitting a 13-month high. Okay. So we're right in that area, with that. And we've got also Ethereum moving up as well. Ethereum crossing up over that $2,000 mark right there. You can see it, crossing over that $2,000 mark, which is a big deal. That's a big number for us to continue to kind of, get past and stay past, if you will. Right now, the lead story is again XRP, but more importantly for me, it's about what are we going to see sustained? What are we going to see rolling into the weekend? Are we going to continue to see sustained gains? We're going to continue to see green days. That's really what we got to do. We've got to put together 3, 4, 5, 6+ days. Now, we're going to have some pullback days there. I'm not talking about major, massive gains every day, but we really need that consistent, momentum, if you will. And quite frankly, we need money coming back into crypto, right? We need this number, that 1.25 number right there, that entire crypto market capitalization. We need that number to continue to move up, right? We need to go to 1.27, 1.3. That's 1.3 trillion and change. All that kind of stuff. We need those numbers to continue to improve. I realize that I'm stating the obvious, but that's the point. Okay, the point is that we need institutional retail money to start coming back in. And I think the question that everybody's asking themselves is the XRP SEC. Is that because that drama is effectively done? Is that paving the way for that next bull run? Is, as I've been saying, is it the spark that's going to light the rocket, if you will, for the beginning of the next bull run? We'll see how this plays out. We just don't have enough data right now, and that's what I'm looking at, in that context. Okay, I'm going to keep an eye on it for you. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. See you.